Hi, good morning. Have a wonderful and fruitful day. Let us thank the Lord for He is good and His love endures forever. Let me share to you today the words of wisdom. This is a godly wisdom from the book of Proverbs, because I believe with all my heart that a Proverbs a day keeps the fools away. So listen and learn powerful principle for life. From Proverbs chapter 12, verse 19, it says, truthful words stand the test of time, but one day lies will be seen for what it is. It will be soon exposed. So my friend, live in the truth, because the mark of a righteous person is truthfulness. So when we live in truth and being honest, the Lord will be delighted. Remember, there is no secret that can be hidden for long time, because God will expose deception and lies. So avoid habitual liars, because it will become our character. My friend, that is a reminder, and to everyone. So I declare to you, to all of you, shalom, shalom. Peace and grace be multiplied to everyone. God bless you more. Amen.